Now to the latest on the coronavirus outbreak. This morning, the World Health Organization upgraded the global risk of the virus spread to very high. The coronavirus is blamed for killing more than 2,800 people and sickening more than 8,300 in at least 53 countries. In the U.S., there are 60 cases. CBS 4's Skyler Henry is live in Washington, D.C. with the latest. Skyler?
Hey, Maribel, good afternoon to you. Well, we learned that Vice President Mike Pence will actually be in Florida today going over Florida's coronavirus response with Governor DeSantis. And as we await what happens with that meeting and assumably a press conference there, members of Congress were on the Hill early today meeting with federal health officials about the appropriate response to the coronavirus here. And it's safe to say that that appropriate response is split politically.
U.S. stock markets are heading for their worst week since 2008 amid fears over the spread of coronavirus. Traders will be watching the Dow closely, which opened sharply lower again today. This morning, members of Congress met with federal health officials for an update on the virus spread. But some members left early, complaining Democrats were criticizing the Trump administration's response.
Those things need to be apolitical. They need to be about solving the problem, not scoring political points.
Democrats in today's briefing say administration officials were short on facts. They're also critical of Vice President Mike Pence, who they suspect might be trying to muzzle health officials.
Pence seems like he may be vetting written statements.
Later today, members of Congress from California will reportedly meet again with health officials to discuss allegations that medical personnel did not have appropriate training or equipment to treat evacuees from Wuhan, China. Many of those evacuees were quarantined in California, a state now monitoring 8,400 people for the virus.
We have community infection going on in California now.
California is currently treating one confirmed coronavirus patient who had no known contact with any evacuees or anyone who had traveled internationally.
Now, the federal government says that there are only about 40 testing facilities throughout the entire country for the coronavirus. They plan on doubling that number by Monday. Maribel?
Skyler, thank you for that live report.